In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Premiere Pro. So to start off, we'll just look for the place where you want to cut it off and zoom in. So let's say I cut it over here, and let's say it ends around this part where it just changes frames. So around this part, you will zoom in here, and to do that, you'll need to go to the effect controls, and you'll just need to click on this one and then click on effect controls. Now the way you do it is I click on motion, or you can just click on scale and adjust it like going left or right to zoom in. So while you're zooming in, you've selected motion, you can just move it around to like recenter it. Let's say you want to zoom in more, move it around more over here, recenter again. And now if you're good with that, you can see the edit where it zooms in and then zooms back out. And that's it. Thank you all for watching.